Yo, welcome back to the second video of the channel, and this is going to be the first real video where I'm going to be making something, which is really fun and cool. So what we have on the agenda today is this Adafruit Circuit Playground Express, kind of like an easier to work with Arduino. And it's going to be the foundation for everything that comes, and I'm going to be playing around with it, making a lot of projects. You worked on it at school and at our makerspace, and I really loved it. So I'm just going to keep here to experiment, play around with the different features it has, and kind of just go about that. And of course, we can kind of do a quick unboxing video. I know YouTubers are really good at that, so let's try it. You got a little USB port to connect to your Adafruit Circuit Board Express. Just a battery pack, some batteries, and then the main, the main thing, the main course of this entire package is our Circuit Playground Express right here. And there's a lot of built-in features. So we have our port over here to connect with the computer. We got buttons. These lights are gonna light up. There's an accelerometer. It can sense temperature. It can sense audio. Just a lot of great things to be able to play around with, and things that I can't wait to start working on. And for this time, I'm going to make a little game using the light feature and using the buttons. So it's gonna be a little bit simple, but hear me out. So I got this inspiration from, I don't know if you've been to Dave & Buster's or something like that, maybe like Chuck E. Cheese or something, but there's always that game where you have to time your jumps to the machine that's twirling around like this. So we're going to basically be doing that, but instead of jumping, we're going to be using the click of a button. So it'll be fun. It'll be a little bit of a challenge to what I'm normally used to with working on this Playground Express, but yeah, let's hop into it. Alright, so here's the plan. We got our microprocessor right here. We got our Adafruit, and basically what I'm going to be doing in the beginning is just having the light swirl around it, and then get faster as it goes, and then from there I think I will add in the button input and like have the game over, and then after that just have the end screen of how many points you've done. So that's going to be like the overall layout. I think how I'm going to go about this is create either like a variable for how much time has passed or something along those lines, and then as the time passes, speed it up a little bit and kind of work on how that'll happen in the actual thing. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, let's load this onto the chip and then we'll see how it works. Alright, so quick progress update of the code so far. You can see the little red dot beeping around, going around. And basically it's just going to speed up and speed up, which is going to be pretty nice. I can't wait to see what I'm able to do with the game aspect of it. But the fact that we've gotten so far, like, the functioning components of it is really nice to see. And it's speeding up. Like, I don't know, maybe you'll have to go back and look at it, or maybe I'll like speed it up or something, but it's getting fast, so it's gonna be nice. Now it's just getting back to the game aspect. I have to be able to register like a click. Oh, see, now it's going real fast. So basically what I'm going to try to do is whenever it's on this like bottom pixel right here, I'm just going to try to like click a button, and then that would allow the game to kind of progress and go forward. And if I'm not able to do it, kind of like a jumping jack, or like kind of jumping up and down, or if I mess up, then the game will end and it'll kind of show the point system. So that's gonna be the next thing. There's gonna be a little bit of testing for it, but that's what makes it fun. That's what makes it good. So I'll see y'all back in the coding sesh. All right, let's get this coding business started. So basically, how I'm seeing it is the light's gonna be flashing in this direction, going counterclockwise. So I think if they press the button on either this one or this one, then they're good. And I think we might want to change something with the index, or say if you go in one of these two, you jump over this and you're fine. And maybe if you jump once, you have to wait an index of 3. And then, so if you jump here, then the next time you can jump is 1, 2, 3. Just so that it simulates a jumping, so you can't just button mash. So yeah, that's what I'm planning, and let's get on with it. Alright, so let's run this and see how it works. Basically, now they have to hit the button in that time frame, or else I think the thing will just reset. So let's see how it works, and I will catch you with the camera. Alright, so I got it. My setup's a little bit jank, so I will be basically dragging and dropping the code into it because I had the app reset. So I'm just gonna drag this in right here and then show y'all that it works. Oh wait, here I can. Oh, all right. So I have to be really quick at this. Circuit playground. Maybe I made it too quick here. What? Okay. So we're gonna see. This is where a second camera would be very useful. But as you can see, it's going forward. And I got it right there. Another time. Yes, sir. Yeah. Alright, see, we're in the groove. And it's gonna get, and then I lost. So there we go. We're getting places with this. We're getting places. Now I need to do the error screen and then basically just have fun. Have fun and play around with it. And then yeah, I think that'll be a pretty fun time. All right, so let's get this end of the game. Let's get this finished. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be fun. As you can see, I've been doing 3 different costume changes. It's all part of the plan. Oh, and you can see the NBA playoffs. That's nice. But basically, what I'm just gonna do is fix a quick bug I noticed yesterday while I was coding, and then fix the end game procedure so that the game can actually work, and it shows you your score once you have finished. So yeah, let's get into it. So let's test it out. And 3, 2, 1. So I'm gonna try to go as high as I can, and then hopefully we win. So here, let's just go here. Oh. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm gonna let it go here, so it goes all the way and then it goes down, which is great. It did what it's supposed to do. And yeah, so I'm gonna be able to try to download this real quick, and then show y'all how it works on our, I guess, Adafruit right here. So, Sub Squad. So we're back, and now I'm just gonna test out how our Circuit Playground looks in, you know, the actual Circuit Playground. So how our game looks with the Circuit Playground. I just dropped the game in. Oh, and here I just have to be really quick about it. So just basically going. I don't know if y'all can see it, but as you see, it's going. All right. And I'm just gonna save a little bit because I added like an hour on this, maybe hour 30. All right, and then boom. As you can see, it did everything it was supposed to. So yeah, that's the first project. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope we stay tuned for some other cool things. So let's go.